In just 3 days, this same piece of land will cost millions more. No noise, just boom! Like a canyon. Picture this with me. You wake up in a calm and clean environment with tight security at your gate. Manama, move from this gate now. Sorry. Smooth roads that you can jog on, that you can run on with your spouse, with your fiance or your kids, and then plane landing just few minutes away from your home. We are just 7 minutes after the Pan-Atlantic University, which is just directly opposite the proposed Lekki International Airport. I said directly, I did not say inversely. Right on the Ibeju-Lekki Epe Expressway. If you know where Lagos is going, you will know that this corridor is on fire. Tiara Estate is built for people that like correct things. You get reliable electricity, 24-hour security, proper drainage, mini golf course, artificial lake, and helipad space.
God have mercy upon us.
This is not just a buy and keep land. This is lifestyle loading. Now listen carefully. This land carries the C of O, that is certificate of occupancy. No wahala, no stress, no troubles, just full ownership. And here is why people are moving quietly. On February 26, the price is increasing. A 300 square meter plot is moving from 28 million naira to 34 million naira. And the 500 square meter plot is moving from 39 million to 47 million. This jump is big. But baby, calm down, calm down. You don't have to pay everything today. With a 4 million naira deposit, you can get the 300 square meters. And with a 6 million naira deposit, you can get the 500 square meters plot. And you can spread the payments conveniently for over 6 to 12 months. As you can see, I'm on top of my G31 34256 MX made from China, transported all the way from Washington, D.C. That is to tell you that construction will soon start. And once construction starts, prices do not negotiate. If Tiara Estate is already making sense in your head, don't phone busy. You can call the number on your screen or send a message to our WhatsApp to secure your plot now. Because in Lagos, opportunity no dey shout twice, so I didn't do that way. Opportunity no dey shout twice, so I'm Starlight from True Assets Limited. We help Nigerians in the diaspora, Nigerians at home, and foreigners invest in Lagos property with real potentials. No stress, no government wahala, and no stories that touches the heart or liver. So if you want a property that lets you sleep well at night and wake up with a smile in the morning, give us a call now to secure your future the right way.